this is Lee, back once again for another video. Here I am, trying out a new look. I was inspired by the colors and the ambiance and the, glitz and glamour, the bling of new Shimmer Volume 80, which I recently watched on a digital streaming video. Very interesting, phenomenon. So anyway, we'll see if I like it. I might stick with it for a while. Who knows? But anyway, I hope this doesn't hurt your eyes. If it does, just turn the color balance down until all you see is, black and white tones. Or just, minimize and listen to the sound of my voice as I hypnotize you and get you to click on my channel and become, one of my, growing army of tiny followers. I'm just kidding, of course. But anyway, hope you enjoy my comments on Shimmer Volume 80. More videos when I have time, of course.